How do wheel spacers affect handling for your Jeep? Today we are tackling one of the simplest yet most impactful modes for your Jeep Wrangler. Whether you are running stock wheels or just want a wider stance for off-roading, wheel spacer can transform your Jeep's look and performance, but only if you choose the right ones. I break down the best options for all Jeep Wrangler models, how to avoid rubbing or vibration. Wheel spacers provide a wider stance for off-road stability and avoiding tire rub on aftermarket tires. Spacers are not just for looks. They are critical if you are running larger tires without upgrading to aftermarket wheels. By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, Hub Centric Wheel Spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. BONOSS Forged active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-state Hub Centric rings. This Hub Centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub fat. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of the wheels. These BONOSS Forged active cooling wheel spacers are vehicle specific. This means they're made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue. Choosing the right wheel spacer for your Jeep involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, compatibility with your vehicle, and the benefits of features like flash plates. High-quality wheel spacer can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance. If you need any help with wheel spacer selections, please leave the comments below.